Welcome to my channel AKS Bright 12th Computer Application second unit PageMaker. Continue this video. Okay. So magnifying and reducing with the zoom tool. So magnifying means big size to small size. So any image, any text convert to big size to small size. Use the zoom tool to magnify or reduce the display of any area in user publications. You can also double click to zoom tool jump to actual size or press at as you double click the tool go to the fit on window view. So magnify or reduce the with the zoom tool. Select the zoom tool, the pointer becomes the magnify glass with a plus sign. It is the corner, a center, indicating that the zoom tool will magnify your view of the image. The magnify the glass show as minus sign. It is the center when it reduce the mode. The toggle between the magnifier and reduce the press control key. Yeah, the position the magnify the glass at the center of the area. You want to magnify the reduce and click zoom in and out. The continue the clicking until the publication is at the magnifier's level you want. When the publication has reached in the maximum magnifier or reduce the level, center the magnifier's glass appear blank. Magnify the part of a page dropping. Select the zoom tool. Drag to draw a marquee around the area you want to magnify. To zoom in or out while using the another tool. Control space bar. Control plus alt space bar. Zoom. Yeah, this is the zoom in. Just zoom out. Yeah, this is zoom tool. Yeah, this is zoom tool. Next, formatting a document. Formatting the process of changing the general arrangement, a text, improving the appearance of the text by using the various fonts, font colors, font styles, and then font set of the letters, numbers and symbols, in a certain styles. Each font look different form of the fonts. Understood? Yeah, form formatting means align the text, letters, styles, everything. The character formatting using the characters specify the dialog box. The character formatting means displaying the text is the certain way. The character formatting consists of the text properties bold, italic, this underline, the font types, font styles and font colors, etc. This is all very important. So how to choose this window? Type characters. Choose the type character or control T. The character specification dialog box will appear. Yeah, this is the character specification dialog box. Yeah, this is. To make the appropriate changes in the dialog box, click the drop down menu, arrow of the font box, then size box, then color box. The three categories use and change. This is the style of the letters, this is the size of the letters, this is the change of the color letters. Okay. Then choose the bold, italic or underline. So any three categories there, you choose any one. After press OK button. This formatting set and changing. Here after you typing the letters, this format itself, this format use and type this. Next, characters formatting using the control palette. So control palette is especially useful when you are doing lot of formatting. The features change based on the object that is selected your layout. The control palette is not showing following the steps. Window show control palette. Choose window menu. Select the show control panel or control single course. Now the control palette appear on the window. Yeah, this is the control palette. The modify the character attributes, the characters control palette. Select the text you want the modify. Make the appropriate changes control palette. Okay. Yeah, this is font, font size, tracking, bold, italic, underline, small caps, leading, horizontal scale, baseline shift. Okay. Yeah, this is some letters typing Tamil Nadu. Yeah, this is the Arial font, Arial font, underline give, then font size give. Yeah, after some sentence is typing. Yeah, this is the small caps. This is the italic format. Okay. Salafi understood students. Alafi understood friends. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Continue support me. Continue watch this lesson. Easily understand. Before the lesson also, I'm having the video. Please subscribe and watch that lesson. Now not having book, no. So government children's not having book. That purpose only I take the video and put it this YouTube. Please subscribe and watch this video. If you easily learn, you will easily get knowledge. Thank you.